Facility maintenance may not be the first industry that comes to mind when you think about business opportunity, but it's a market worth more than $320 billion a year, and one that is essential to virtually every commercial building in North America. That's where Citywide comes in.
Citywide is a management company in the building maintenance industry, which just means that we can help our commercial clients with anything from the rooftop to the curb.
The story began more than 60 years ago with a family business and a belief in hard work.
In the early days, my dad worked long hours. He would come home at 1, 2 o'clock in the morning. He went 20 years without a day of vacation.
What started as one man cleaning stores at night evolved into a completely different way of serving customers, and eventually, a model that changed everything. Instead of performing every service themselves, Citywide built a model around managing relationships, connecting clients who need facility solutions with the contractors best equipped to deliver them.
I'm using an independent contractor who has his equipment, his inventory, his vehicles. All I have to do is sales and the relationship.
Today, that model creates value for everyone in the equation.
We believe in a win-win-win philosophy. When our clients can win, our franchise owners can win, and our contractors to win, you put all that together and it's a pretty fabulous combination. One of the first things that you see when you walk into the Citywide office is this ripple heart. Citywide's vision and mission is all about spreading the ripple and making a positive impact on the lives of all the people in our community.
At Citywide, we call it the ripple effect, the belief that every client served, every contractor supported, and every franchise owner we help build something far beyond a business, into careers, families, communities. Today, Citywide operates across 116 locations in the US and Canada, with system-wide sales exceeding $1 billion. And because our services are essential, buildings don't stop needing maintenance in a recession or a pandemic. Our franchisees have proven resilient through every economic cycle.
What we're really selling is time. We can save you time by providing you a part-time facility manager.
For franchise owners, the model delivers real advantages from day one. Citywide offers 20+ revenue streams, large protected territories, and a support center that works alongside you, including direct enterprise sales that puts revenue on your books without a sales call. Once you win a client, you keep them. Our retention rate is over 90% year over year. The industry has taken notice. Citywide has earned recognition as one of the top franchise opportunities in North America, a reflection of our franchise relationships, our support model, and our owners' results. When Citywide franchisees come together, you feel the size of what's been built and the energy of what's still ahead. What sets Citywide apart from other franchise brands is what happens between owners. This is a community that genuinely invests in each other, sharing what's working, opening doors, and going out of their way to help fellow franchisees grow. In an industry where you might expect competition, you find collaboration instead. We're on a path to $2 billion in system-wide sales, and the most exciting chapter is still ahead. We've got open territories across the US and Canada, and our successful owners are experienced B2B sales leaders, financially savvy business operators, builders of high-performing teams, strong relationship builders, competitive, proactive, and execution-focused, and are active, engaged owners.
So one of the best things about becoming a Citywide franchisee is the fact that we really provide you a business in a box. From day one, you have everything that you need to be a successful business owner. You have your IT, your HR, your accounting, your legal, everything that you need is set up. That allows you to be able to focus on sales and the client experience.
If you're looking for a proven business model, strong support, and the opportunity to build something significant, we'd love to start a conversation.